Hi there, my name is Sandra. In this class, we'll be learning how to work with Mailchimp. Mailchimp is an email marketing platform. It's used to create email templates and campaigns to send to an audience that has signed up to hear from you. There are so many things you can do in this platform. You can create templates from scratch or use pre-made templates. You can then customize the colors, fonts, and add content and images to your liking. We're going to start by picking a basic template and then modifying it to match a sample website. I'll show you how to make a simple logo header using Adobe Photoshop and place it into your template. Once we finish the template, we will use it to create a campaign. In no time, we'll be ready to create a welcome email to send to your audience. That'll be the first part of your email marketing. This class is targeted towards beginner Mailchimp users, someone who has just created a new Mailchimp account and is not sure what the next step is or to create a template. If you've already been using Mailchimp for a short time, you may also learn some tips and tricks along the way. For the class project, we'll be creating a template and then showing you how the template can be used in a campaign. Once it's in the campaign section, I'll show you how to put it in an automated email system. Now what that means is that it's going to seem like you have a personal secretary. Go on with your bad self. When someone signs up to receive your campaigns, they'll automatically be sent a welcome email. How about that? Your cyber secretary will be taking care of your new subscribers. One less thing you have to worry about. I've been creating templates for various needs. Some have been for businesses, food mood experts, insurance companies, and many others. I've been using Mailchimp for about 8 years now and believe I can help bring out your creative side in designing a template. I also know I can help you get started on branding yourself to your readers. So I'm excited to get started. Let's do this.